Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you why you cannot change your refresh rate setting on your MSI monitor to the maximum refresh rate. Okay, as you can see on the table, now I have my MSI monitor and the maximum of its refresh rate you can see it 144 Hz. And now the setting I can set it only 120 Hz. Okay, and today video I will show you why it can only set to 120 Hz. Okay, and the answer is because your laptop HDMI output it only can provide 120 Hz. And now I bring another laptop that can give more refresh rate to this monitor, and now let's check it out. Okay, now I already connect this laptop to the monitor, and now let's check it out. And you can see here the refresh rate is now 144 Hz. And the laptop itself, you can see it can give up to 144 Hz on its own display. Okay, and how to change the refresh rate on your laptop? You can check it out, the link in the description, and also you can find out the top right hand of the video screen. And now I hope you got the point, and please take note that all the functions in this video are the built-in inside this laptop and another one laptop. And now thanks for your time, and if you have any question please let me know in the comment box. And now bye bye and have a nice day.